Nhớ rong. Cú rong xia tao bảo cái đùa. Hello, I am happy to see you again. Nu nó, bây giờ cậu chiên tới gì? Today, we will learn consonants. Consonants are letters that represent certain speech sound, specifically sounds that involve blocking the air before it leaves the mouth. So basically, consonants are any other letters and sound except vowels. These are single and multiple consonants in the Hmong language. And most Hmong words will have three components: a consonant, xin tao, a vowel, nian tao, and a tone, yin tao. In this example, the letter K is the consonant. The sound for the K is go. The vowel is the o, and the tone is a yin du tone. And so when we read it all together, we will read it like this: go o yin du go. This means you. In this video, you will learn only the single or mono consonant. Before we begin, I want to clarify how we're going to read this. Instead of saying the letter sound, I'm going to add the consonant with a vowel. So instead of saying y, I'm going to say yo. So instead of saying d here, I'm going to add the vowel and say da, so that it's a little easier to hear the sound of the consonant. I will also give an example after the sound of a consonant. So instead of saying yo, I will say yo, yo. So instead of saying da, I will say da, day. Let's do this, and don't forget to repeat after me. Hai tơ cụ theo. Yo, yo. Da, day. Fa, phu. Ha, how day. Ga, gao. Lo, lia. Ma, mi. No, nong. Bo, ba. Go, ga. Do, dia. Sho, shua. To, từ. Vo, va. So, sao. Yo, ya. Jo, jay. Rong hang. Very good. Lo bé hai y nhô chén rồi. Let's do this a little faster. Hai đo cô. Say it with me. Yo, yo. Do, day. Fo, phu. Ha, how day. Ga, gao. Lo, lia. Mo, mi. No, nong. Bo, ba. Go, ga. Do, dia. Sho, shua. To, từ. Vo, va. So, sao. Yo, ya. Jo, jay. Có hai tơ rong hang. You spoke very well. Ủa chào, có là cơn đó cô. Thank you for learning with me. Jika hao lời đại video. See you in the next video.